The last organisation that will be winning a prize from this year's Innovation Showcase is Saans.
Respiratory Distress Syndrome is a condition wherein preterm babies have not completely developed their lungs, and because of which they lack a layer of surfactant. The lungs collapse and it was very difficult to reinflate these lungs. So the current solution which is there in the market is called CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. These devices which provide this therapy are present only in the NICUs and tertiary care hospitals. The problem that is currently being faced is that 160,000 babies are dying each year. They are not being transferred to the tertiary care hospitals. 32% of these babies die during transfers to a tertiary care hospital. So what we have developed is the first in the world multi-powered CPAP device to be used in the transport, which can work with electricity, 24 volt as well as 230 volt supply. It can work with the oxygen cylinder, and if there is nothing else available, there is a fail-safe mode of a manual operation where it gets connected to a bag and mask, ambu bag sort of ventilation system, and that variable supply gets converted into a constant pressure, constant flow rate supply. We have a fully developed prototype ready, and we already have done safety and reliability testing on the device. The next stage would be to take it to clinical evaluation. I feel this is the only competition which is looking at hardware startups. It's not just based on one pitch that you give at the start of the competition. It is on a continuous evaluation throughout the day.
They are also thinking of how you are going to develop, and they are giving the right feedbacks, right inputs on different stages of the developments. It's really like encouraging us in a positive way to make it more successful.
It's been splendid. The amount of info that we've got, the amount of connections, new people that they have told us to approach to, that itself is huge. So to getting into the market and to finding the right organizations who can help us, support us. We are a team of 7 people. We are a mixed bunch. We are industrial designers, mechanical engineers, electronic engineers, and we have a full-time physician in the team. I would say it's the passion which drives. So you just need to be passionate about what you're doing, and you will find like-minded people who are also passionate about a few things. You just have to motivate, get the right people, build the right bonds, and people will come.